Hello, welcome to another interesting video where we'll talk about the supply chain challenges in the aerospace sector. I'm Adil, pre-sales supply chain management consultant of Intelligence IT. In this video, we'll discuss about the major supply chain challenges within the aerospace sector. We'll also explore how Microsoft Dynamics 365 can tackle the key issues, and we'll understand how the big players in the industry were able to overcome their key challenges through their success stories. Then we'll briefly touch on the concept of supply chain control tower before concluding this video. Let me present to you some of the key supply chain challenges that are currently faced in the industry. Key industry leaders from Airbus and BAE Systems have identified supply chain visibility as a significant issue. Ensuring the traceability of the parts remains a formidable challenge. We all know that aerospace sector deals with an enormous amount of data, and many companies including Sat Air find it challenging to manage such extensive data sets. Strict compliance and regulatory conditions further complicate the operations in this sector. Despite emerging from the challenges of COVID, logistic constraints persist globally for a majority of suppliers. Time management poses a potential challenge for aerospace companies, where every minute is crucial in the industry. Delays and inefficient resource planning, especially in the maintenance services, can result in substantial financial losses. Upholding high quality standards presents an ongoing difficulty. Also, maintaining optimized inventory levels and efficient inventory planning is essential for effective supply and demand management in the industry. Before I address on how Microsoft can help to resolve these key issues, let's understand an overview of Dynamics 365. Dynamics 365 is a comprehensive cloud-based business operation solution that integrates ERP and CRM process on a single platform. All the challenges ranging from efficiently planning the inventory to managing the entire service cycle of delivered component within the customers can be seamlessly addressed through Microsoft Dynamics 365. It offers a wide range of modules on both the ERP and the CRM domain, as you can see on the screen. Each module has a list of submodules and all the components are interconnected. Microsoft is uniquely positioned to deliver enterprise-ready AI that runs across all their products with Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft has introduced Copilot across the entire Dynamics 365 suite, from sales, customer service, finance, supply chain management, and Power Platform. This ensures that generative AI is deeply infused into the wider stack of Microsoft products. Work Trend Index report of 2023 confirms that Microsoft Copilot helps to save 65% of an employee's time by making them at least 70% more productive. It is now more easy than ever to build an application or a dashboard where Copilot takes care of all your needs within few clicks. Now, let's dive deeper into how Dynamics 365 can address these key issues. Dynamics 365 provides companies with real-time visibility into the entire supply chain process. It enhances the part visibility and the traceability within the warehouses. The application also automatically intervenes and sends notification to warehouse executives to prevent the instances of stockouts. The platform optimizes demand forecasting by leveraging the latest AI-powered data analytics dashboards, enabling planners to make agile and efficient decisions based on accurate real-time data. The inventory management workspace within D365 streamlines warehouse operations, ensuring on-time deliveries and maintaining optimal stock levels at all times. Communication between suppliers and companies is naturally facilitated through Dynamics 365, utilizing the Microsoft applications such as Outlook, Teams, Word, and Excel, which are all pre-embedded within D365. This ensures timely and seamless communication of critical information across the teams. Let's explore the significance of end-to-end visibility in the supply chain process through the example of Norma Group. As a leading manufacturer of clamps and connectors based out of Germany, they face challenges related to costly maintenance process and the use of independent ERP systems. This situation hindered collaboration and overall visibility in their supply chain operations. To address these issues, Norma Group opted for Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management. This solution provided a centralized platform with comprehensive visualizations, allowing the key stakeholders to monitor every aspect of the supply chain process in real time. It also provided the employees to optimize logistics process and predict potential delays. Dynamics 365 offers modern communication platforms embedded within the application, facilitating seamless communication and enhancing overall supply chain efficiency. As a result, the value of the total order book per year of the company has increased from 358 million euros to 569 million euros in a matter of 3 years, accounting to 59% increase in their order booking situation after they implemented Dynamics 365. Let's now understand how D365 can help to optimize inventory management through a story of a customer who was having various challenges in maintaining optimal inventory levels. Copper State Bolt and Nut Company, a US-based manufacturing firm, manages an inventory of over 1 million products in a traditional manner. The company encountered significant challenges due to its extensive product catalog and a diverse customer base, leading to difficulties in supporting continuous business growth. To address these challenges, the Copper State team embraced Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, mobile and cloud-based capabilities. It was a truly fit-for-the-purpose solution to manage the operational complexities and reduce carrying cost. As a result, they are able to optimize the inventory level with a robust warehouse management module, and they have significantly improved the customer service. Mobile capabilities created more flexible ways for the employees to work, and it has substantially increased the satisfaction levels than ever before. Overall, the company's people and the operational endpoints are now better connected than ever with Dynamics 365. Another key aspect in supply chain process is maintaining supplier relationships. Liebherr, a pioneering German company renowned worldwide for innovations in aerospace and automation technology, confronted a crucial challenge related to restricting access to confidential documents and facilitating collaboration with suppliers. To address these issues, they adopted Dynamics 365 and SharePoint as their solution. This strategic combination led to significant enhancements in document management and collaboration functionalities, including the ability to share the documents with non-CRM users. They resolved their primary challenges through the implementation of Dynamics 365 security roles and entities. This process massively improved the communication with suppliers and enabled continuous performance tracking of the suppliers. As an out-of-the-box solution with minimal administrative effort, Dynamics 365 enhanced compliance and boosted productivity among their employees. Coming to the last minute of the video, we'll discuss about the future of business applications, focusing on the role of supply chain control towers. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Control Tower serve as a shared service process integrating various supply chain workloads. The control tower utilizes core D365 supply chain modules such as supply chain management, intelligent order management, and supply chain insights to populate the data. It also incorporates Microsoft Power Platform and various M365 tools, offering a flexible and a composable solution. The Supply Chain Control Tower contributes to building an agile digital supply chain by consolidating a 360-degree view of data from various systems into a single platform. Being built on the Azure platform, this allows organizations to maximize the benefits through seamless integration with the current ERP systems. Supply chain professionals can now proactively navigate disruptions through a user-friendly, low-code, no-code interface. As we have come to the end of this video, we would like to invite you to connect with us to explore the potential of Microsoft solutions that would fit you the best. I would personally love to hear more about the interesting supply chain challenges that you're currently facing in your organization. And to know more such customer success stories, please reach out to me or the wider team via email or telephone. Also, check out our website and stay connected by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you once again for watching this video. Cheers!